Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable or use a Windows Hello security key pin to sign into your Windows 10 laptop, tablet, or traditional desktop computer if your system supports it. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and you want to search for settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. And then you want to select the accounts tile. On the left side, you want to select sign-in options. And then on the right, there should be something that says Windows Hello PIN. Go ahead and select that, and then you can enable it. So please know you do have to have a system password enabled or turned on your computer before using the sign-in option. So once you've confirmed you do have a computer password down here, you can then just go ahead and add the Windows Hello PIN, and that's all you'd have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.